So my name is Mario, and we are going to talk about the animation class. As in other classes, we're going to talk about. We will do a brief intro and philosophy on how the engine deals with animation. Then we will go to a schematic overview of all the systems that are related to animation, and then some advices from the field. So regarding the intro and philosophy, the aim for the animation tools are to be versatile and allow a layer flow of the animation. So with the layer flow, I mean that we can easily separate what's happening in the animation in different layers, so we can iterate and polish layer by layer. Also reusability, so we can grab several things from an animation and share that with other characters and other animations and sets. And also to empower animators. So animators shouldn't need any kind of external help to do the bulk of the animation inside the engine. So for that, we have the tools very tightly integrated with the gameplay. Do you want to do this?
Yeah,
part?
I can step in for a second. I mean, Unreal Engine 1 and 2, it started out vertex animation base, UA1. I mean, by UA2, the screenshot is from Unreal Engine 2. The skeleton came in, as you can see on the screenshot. So, also Unreal Engine 2 started adding sockets, animation, notifiers, all of that kind of stuff started coming in. You had the first version of the authoring tools, like the fact that it was a small editor, as you can see on the picture. Like, it started really going in the direction of what we have in Unreal Engine 4. So. And UA3 continued with that. Cloud got added. We now had Martinez, the first cinematics editor got added there. So carried on in the same direction, yeah.
Yep. So this is a schematic overview of what we will be seeing next. But the idea is that here we can see the systems that tie together the animation. We can see the skeleton, that is the main pillar of the animation. And related to the skeleton, we can have different skeletal meshes, we can have different anim blueprints, and we can have different animation sequences, and also different physical assets. From the skeletal mesh, we can work on scalability features, so we can have LODs and sets. And from animation sequences, we can transform those with some tools and then put them in the animation blueprint. And the animation blueprint is separated into two main graphs, the event graph and the animation graph. The event graph is going to be what connects the animation with gameplay, and the animation graph is going to be the flow of the animation driven by those gameplay variables. And then we calculate the pose, and then we render the skeletal mesh.